mustache hair in my mouth. To protect staff and others, and it ends with take care and stay safe. This plays every 30 minutes, and I always think of take care and stay square. I do enjoy that. In fact, hearing anything other than stay square after take care, it seems strange to me. I actually have an idea for a shirt design, Vix, that I think you'll especially appreciate once once we've bothered to make it. Interest will apply at 15.7% per annum. Geez, that's a little steep. But reasonable given the quality service that you'll get. That hurts a lot. Moustache hairs are most fun, especially when wearing masks. Oh yes, I love the effects of having facial hair behind a mask. Big fan. Oh, I never adjusted the camera for nulling. Oh, that's fine. Pollen, what's worse, beard or glasses with my... Oh, definitely glasses. Definitely glasses. I only wear sunglasses with my mask, and I can see how frustrating that is for people. Or rather, I should say I can't see. Yeah, anything that follows take care and that is not stay square is just wrong and disgusting and perverse. My throat is doing weird stuff after dinner. Yeah, glasses with masks suck big time. Darcy doesn't have a beard or glasses, so she wouldn't know. And Darcy like never wears sunglasses. I don't know. I don't understand that myself. I'm one of those people that can barely like step outside without putting sunglasses on. It's so hard for me to see outside. And usually that's the thing with people with light colored eyes, but my eyes are like dark, so I don't know what that is. I should not be wearing a beard with a mask, but it's such a part of my identity that I really should shave it off for the safety and health of others. Wait. Beards with a mask are bad? How so? Like, what do you mean you should shave it off? Try walking out in winter and breathing. Have enough issues not tripping over things about that. Yeah, exactly. Like, there's already people that can't see, having their vision obscured even more. Yeah, it's big rough, buddy. Your prescription sunglasses so you can wear them more often. Yeah, I should probably get myself some prescription sunglasses. I'm technically slightly short-sighted, so... Beard defeats the purpose of a mask because the mask doesn't seal to the face properly. Well, I guess that's true if you have a really long bushy beard, but I mean, you know, mine, I'd say mine seals because my beard's so short. short. You have a huge beard, yeah, that's why it's a huge issue. Wait, how what, Darcy? I'm confused. Look, whatever. I don't know. I just want to know my pieces, okay? I don't know what we're talking about anymore. My brain is whack with poo brain. Yeah, more beard, more problems, exactly. Well, that's the thing, Vix. I guess you don't need to stop wearing them, right? Like, I'm kind of at like thinking that I'll be wearing a mask whenever I'm in any kind of crowded area from now on, because not getting colds is awesome. I don't know how the heck I've managed to couldn't get this like this throat infection I've got right now, but I would love to get less colds every year because I am wearing masks. Like, statistics of flu and cold infections have been reduced, right? Because everybody is isolating and wearing masks and everything. I want that to continue. I hate getting colds, so I can just see myself continuing to wear them from now on. They do it in Asian countries. Like Korn said, keep wearing masks. Okay, the nulling for the first bag is done. My goodness, that is so much faster than the than it was with the bookshop. And we've got our first minifigure. Which is pretty cool. Where's my doohickey? Oh, back there. You've had so many colds this year? Wow. I've had, I want to say maybe like a one like average one and no bad ones. I was zero problem, just keep wearing them, but I wear those ones you wear around your neck and they feel like t-shirt material, so soft and cozy. I don't know if I know those ones. Excuse me. And yes, that's true. Lovely has been getting sick heaps. She just got over a cold and now she's contracted another one. It's the worst. Okay, minifig time. So this is our first robot dude. Now, I really like the idea of this set because I'm a big Daft Punk fan and it makes me think of Daft Punk. Hence the title. That hairpiece is so unique, so wacky, so crazy. It's amazing. I love it. The hair looks like, hey lovely, welcome back. The hair looks like cut off cables or something, or like a frayed wire. The mask with the equalizer on it, or visualizer rather, looking big time Daft Punk energy. So much detailing around the back with the visor. We've even got a stud to attach something there if you want. A play button on the sides. It's just so cool. I love that headpiece so much. The guitar here, I feel like my lighting isn't great right now. I don't know what that's about. Let me turn up one of my key lights. Okay, how about that? This guitar piece in the flying V style, awesome to have. How I miss breathing through my nose holes. Being sick sucks. I'm sure it does. I mean, I have this sore throat and it's driving me crazy. You're far worse off than I am, lovely, you poor thing. I hope you get better soon. But yeah, that guitar is sweet as well. I'm very pleased to have that. What a cool, unique minifig accessory right there. I'll take that off though so we can see the rest of